We wanted to improve an existing interface called the Citation machine. Some of you may ask, what is a citation machine? Well, the Citation machine is a bibliography making website which helps the users with all their bibliography needs. Meet Willie. He is a laid-back second-year student at SFU, and he enjoys playing games during his free time. Earlier today, Willie has been working on his report at home, that is due at the end of the day. He finds himself struggling for time, so he resorts to using the citation machine on his computer to help make his bibliography so he can hopefully finish his report on time. As Willie goes on to the current citation machine interface, he finds himself really lost and confused. There is no clear starting point, and a vast amount of information is scattered all over the interface. Having advertisements here and over here just adds to the total distraction, causing poor Willie to accidentally click on the advertisement. Now that he has already wasted some of his valuable time, he finally sees the small search field located about here. Willie realizes that it only takes in an ISBN number and nothing else. He quickly grabs his book to look up the ISBN number, types it in, and clicks submit. Next, he finds himself having to fill out more information, which isn't really effective nor efficient at all. Well, after a whole 7 minutes, Willie finally gets it right and quickly copies over his bibliography, and when it came to submitting the report was rejected because it was late. As you can see, the current interface is a total mess. Throughout our first user study, it took the users an average of 6 minutes to make a bibliography, and majority of the problems which the users faced were confusion and frustration regarding the lack of organization on the interface. Now that we know what and where our problems are, the redesign will have these goals in mind: more effective and efficient bibliography making process, more organized layout structure with a clear visual hierarchy, taking advantage of visual queries and pop-ups. Now meet Willie again while he uses our newly redesigned interface. This time around, he is determined to quickly and effectively make his bibliography entries so he can hand in his report on time, unlike last time. With the newly thought out visual hierarchy, Willie is now able to know where to start since the search bar is like so big, and that the only thing apparent at this time. In the search bar, Willie is now able to type in either a title, keywords, or ISBN, making the design more effective. Willie decides to type in "The Catcher in the Rye" and clicks Cite This. He noticed that the search result opens up and displays the results. Willie clicks on the Add button and the entry is added to the entry list appearing on the right of the interface, and other options like selecting the citation style is revealed. With this revealing effect, it helps guide Willie to what the next steps are with the increase in visibility. Now he needs to change the citation style to MLA, so he clicks on MLA. Notice the color of the button reflects to the changes by utilizing the pop-up effect. Now that he is done, he clicks on the results button to proceed. A page is generated in front of his eyes, which he can now visually check if everything is correct. When he submits the report this time, the report was accepted, and now he is happy and fully satisfied. The objective of our redesign was to improve the overall user experience. From our user study, we collected these quantitative data. The average time it took to complete the same task as our persona on this new interface took 50% less than compared to the old interface. The new interface showed an improvement of 30% in less mouse clicks than the old interface. We can conclude that the new design was a success in terms of both efficiency and effectiveness. Comparing our new design to other competitors like EasyBib and BibMe, our design features a more simpler layout, and in the end, the users are able to view the formatted bibliography page to see if everything is correct before deciding to exporting it. Now that Willie is able to complete his goal with our newly redesigned interface, he is now very happy.